Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Xterminal app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Xterminal is a powerful SSH client app designed for remote access and server management from your Android device. It supports multiple SSH sessions, key authentication, SFTP file transfers, and even terminal customization options. It's especially useful for developers, sysadmins, and tech enthusiasts who need to control servers on the go. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Xterminal is praised for its clean interface, responsive terminal input, and stable session handling. Users appreciate the tabbed layout, which allows switching between multiple sessions easily. The app also supports SSH key-based login, reducing the need to type passwords repeatedly. File management via SFTP is smooth, making remote edits and uploads fast and efficient. However, a few things could be improved. Some users have experienced occasional crashes when handling too many tabs or transferring large files. Also, while most core features are free, advanced features like automation scripts or extra themes may require payment. The UI, although functional, could benefit from more modern visuals. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Xterminal is a reliable and feature-rich SSH client app for anyone managing remote servers via mobile. It balances usability with technical capability and performs well for most use cases. While not perfect, it's a strong choice if you want SSH access from your phone with decent stability and flexibility. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.